Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to do a product research on eBay. If you are trying to sell an item on eBay, there's a way we can do some product research with Terapeak. Now let's see how to do that. Now let's say first of all you have to have product idea, what product you're going to sell. And if you don't have any idea, you can also go to Amazon and check the hot selling list, like the best seller here. And you can look at the category you are interested in. The bunch of categories are here. I am personally interested in selling phone related products, so I go to the electronics. I think it should be here. It should be in electronics. Okay, now electronics, I go to the cell phones and accessories, and I particularly see the accessories, and here you can see what are on trending right now. These are the items like selling really well on Amazon. Now let's get some idea. Like let's say you want to sell, like you can sell iPhone case or whatever the thing you want. Now let's go to eBay. The first thing is you have to search the same item on eBay. Here I have some product ideas. Like I just, let's say I am start selling phone. I just don't want to start with like screen protector, because I know like if I am flipping phone locally as well, I need to have screen protector on all the time. So for myself also I need that one. So I start with that one to do other things. Then I will go for charger and other things, but first I always start with the screen protector because it helps me too personally. So I'm just gonna see. I'm just gonna give a trial. You can use the same strategy for other product as well. Now let's go ahead and see iPhone screen protector. Now here what you have to do is you have to see which one has most of them sold. Like here this guy seems to be having a good time, 479 plus sold, and I'm gonna click the item, and here it says 2485 sold and 4 sold in our last 24 hours, and I'm gonna click this one and see how many he has sold in a month. And it seems like, wow, he's selling a lot. Actually, he's selling a lot within the month. So this product is working. Now what we have to do is we have to look at the key terms. iPhone tempered glass screen protector. So this is the same thing we had to type. Okay, let's see, we type the same thing. iPhone screen protector. I'm just gonna add tempered glass as well. Tempered glass screen protector. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go to the Terapeak and then do the same keyword research. Okay, iPhone tempered glass screen protector. And here we had to consider some of the things, like I'm gonna just sell new of this one because I'm not going to sell the used one. I'm going to also have the fixed price. Sometime I will also accept the best offer, so let's give that one as well. And then I'm going to search this one, last 30 days, and you can see the sell through is 45.5%, this is the most valuable information you will get from Terapeak, because if you don't have Terapeak, you have no idea whether that item will sell or not. You can just assume it's going to sell, and then you can list it, but sometimes the percentage is very low, like you can have 10%, something like that. So that product, like even though some people are selling very well, it doesn't work that much better than if you have this one above 40%. So that's why the Terapeak is valuable, because it shows us the information that the percentage that it's actually selling. Like if you buy the product, you can really sell well if the product selling percentage is above 40%. So here this one is 45.57%. So this means this product works. Then what we have to do is we have to see who sold this one most. So here I put this one, total sales. One particular guy sold like $40,000 within a month, and this guy, and I'm gonna look for this guy. Okay, I look at this guy. This guy selling this particular product, like this screen protector, and he sold a lot. And also I forgot to mention one thing. You had to search on your area, like this one, ebay.com. I'm in Canada, so ebay.com doesn't work for me. ebay.ca I had to go and research again, and it's still 45.68%. And then here I had to do a search again. Okay, now here it's different story. This product is on top, and then I click to make sure this guy also selling very well. Okay, in February he sold a lot actually, so this one also working good. Then what I'm going to do is, after I find the product, what I do is I copy exact same thing, and then I go to Alibaba and see whether exact same product is available. So I go to alibaba.com and paste it and see. Okay, it's just allow 50 products, and I'm going to delete other things. Okay, I delete some and keep some. Still above 50. I delete these things and then search. Still above 50. I'm gonna get rid of the 12. Still above 50. Let's get rid of 11 as well. Okay, now it's searching. Now it's gone through. Now the next thing is we have to see, we have the exact same product. You can see the square thing. Let's see whether the exact same product is available. Okay, like you can just scroll through the first 5 pages and see whether it's available. If it's not available, then we are gonna go for the second best thing, because it's selling, that particular product is selling for some reason. So that's why, even though we have a bunch of screen protector, I'm just looking for the particular one. Okay, 4. Okay, as far as I see, we couldn't find the first one, so we have to look at the second one that is selling the most. Now second one, if you look at this, they don't have any brand name. It's just plain screen protector. So I'm going to just go to the third one. Again, it seems to be like blank again, so I'm gonna go to the fourth one. Also seem like that. Fifth one has a thing, so I'm going to the fifth one, and it's yellow color thing. So I'm gonna see whether we have something yellow color like that. Okay, we have something here. So this is the one I'm gonna order. This is the one I'm gonna order, and also I'm checking the price. And it's if you buy from Alibaba, it definitely gonna make you profit, because it's very cheap on Alibaba. You cannot imagine how much cheap it is. So this one is like, now it's 50% offer or something like that. So in Canadian dollar, it's 0.7 cents per piece. It mean let's see how much this guy is selling it for. This guy is selling just one screen protector. I think just one quantity, 3.99. So if you're buying for 0.27 cents, and the shipping cost, like let's add $1 for that, 1.27 cents, and you're making like $2.50 profit for just one piece. And this guy sold a lot, so you can see how much amount he's selling. That's why this matters. Like he's selling a lot, so that 2.5 profit with a lot, it's gonna make a lot of profit basically. And shipping cost, it's gonna be just costing $1. Like you can just post in a stamp, post letter, so it's gonna make a good profit. So that's the thing you have to order, like that. You have to first search the product on eBay and see whether it's selling within a month a lot. Then you have to look the exact same product in the Terapeak and see whether the percentage is above 40%. And also you have to put new, fixed price, best offer accepted. Like this is the thing you have to put when you are buying and selling from Alibaba. So these three things don't forget: new, fixed price, best offer accepted. And then make sure you search in your country. For me it's ebay.ca since I'm in Canada. You have to search your country eBay, and then last 30 days. And when you search, the sell through should be above 40%. If it's 40 above 40%, it's going to sell. That's why. And more percentage it is, it's going to sell quicker. So, and also try to find the exact product that is selling well. Even though there are a bunch of screen product that is even cheaper than this, I'm looking for the one that is selling the most in eBay, and I'm trying to match exact same. That's the thing you have to consider. And that's it. That's how you can find a good product and sell on eBay. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.